This little bottle of black cumin seed oil does so many wonderful things for the human body. It works on the outside and works on the inside. And it's super easy to use. You just simply remove the cap, pour a little bit on your hands if you have any aches and pains, or if you want to give yourself a nice facial skin treatment, or you want to thicken your hair and make it nice and shiny and fix your scalp problems, you just simply rub it in. Just straight up, put it on your skin, rub it in, and let it sit in there for several hours. It's best to do it before you go to bed. If you're going to put a lot on your hair, just make sure you wear some kind of a cap so you don't get oil all over your pillow. And on the inside of the body, this stuff is just phenomenally powerful. What I found the best time to use it internally is when you're finished a meal, you go get 1 teaspoon and you pour 1 teaspoon of oil into the spoon, put it in your mouth and swish it for at least 1 minute. You're gonna have to have a timer for this. So set your timer, swish for 1 minute. It's like you're chewing it, swishing it, chewing it, swishing it. Goes all over your teeth, all over your gums, all over your tongue, all over your cheeks. And when you're done after the 1 minute, you've mixed some saliva with it, so it's nice and liquidy, and you gargle it down the back of your throat for about 15 seconds. That cleans up your whole throat cavities in the back. When you first start doing it, it might be a little bit annoying, but that'll go away in a couple of weeks. Because when it cleans up all the junk in the back of your throat, there's a die-off that makes heat, so it's a little bit kind of annoying. At any rate, then you take a glass of water and you wash it down into your tummy. Don't let it just sit in your throat. That could be irritating. But always make sure you have a glass of water and just wash it down. Once it gets into your system, it helps all kinds of things like gut health to be optimized. It deals with candida overgrowth. It deals with parasites. It goes after fungal increases. It goes after microbial problems. And then it goes through your digestive tract into your body and helps to cleanse and nourish your organs. Works amazingly well for liver to keep the fatty liver gone. Doing all kinds of things for your kidneys, because when you support your liver, that takes the load off your kidneys. So you don't need much of it, just 1 teaspoon a day after 1 meal. Choose it whenever, it doesn't matter, any time of day. Just make sure that's the protocol. Get the most value out of it by swishing, gargling, wash it down with water, get it into your system, and then you tell us what happens to you. We don't need to tell you, because you're going to have a lot of things that are going to get cleaned up from the black cumin seed oil. This is a definite must-have. One of those things you add into your life that supports your body to stay as young as humanly possible for as long as possible.